Now, example number 2 for the construction of similar triangle to the given triangle. Construct a triangle ABC whose sides BC is 6 centimeter, angle B is 30 degree and angle C is 120 degree. Here two base angles and a side is given. Then construct a similar triangle for this ABC triangle whose sides are in the 4:3 ratio. That means the scale factor m by n is 4:3, as numerator, that is m is greater than n, numerator is greater than denominator. The similar triangle which we are going to construct will be outside the given triangle. For example, here the triangle BCA, here it is 30 degree and this is 120 degree. Here point A is there. So, triangle ABC. The similar triangle will be outside the given triangle. It looks like this. Here A dash is here and C dash. The triangle A dash B C dash will be similar to given triangle ABC. So, now draw a line BC with 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter length. So, this is of 6 centimeter length. So, here we have point B and C. So, at point B we have to mark 30 degree. So, as the baseline will be is here. So, you have to mark 30 degree from this side, 0, 10, 20 and 30. And at point C we have to mark 120 degree. Here we have to mark the angle from this side. So, by joining these two points, so this is point A. So, this is of 30 degree and this is of 120 degree and the BC is of 6 centimeter. Now, draw a line in the lower portion of this BC which makes acute angle with BC. So, this is a line BX which makes acute angle with BC. Now, the scale factor is 4:3. So, we have to divide this line segment with 4 equal parts. This is part 1, this one is part 2, this one is part 3. So, this one is part 4. Mark this as B1, B2, B3 and B4. So, B1, B1, B2, B2, B3 and B3, B4 are 4 equal parts. Now, join B4 with B3 with C. Now, construct a parallel line for this P3C. Here we are joining the third part, as the denominator is 3. So, we are joining the part 3 with this point. Now, we have to construct a parallel line at B4 for B3C. For this purpose, we have to Draw an arc here. With your choice. So draw an arc with same radius, take this length and cut the first arc. Now extend this BC and by joining this point, the line segment which we are getting will get the extended line at point C dash. So C dash is parallel to B3C. Now we have to construct a parallel line at C dash for this CA. For this purpose, now draw an arc here with same radius arc at C dash with the length of this measurement. Cut the first arc. Now extend this BA and by joining this point, which cut the extended part of BA at A dash. So this A dash B C dash is similar to the given triangle ABC as A dash B by AB, BB dash BC. So this is BC dash by BC. So A dash C by AC is of the ratio 4/3. So this is the similar triangle which we have constructed for this given triangle ABC.